Eloquent Systems, this is Merv Richter speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Roya. I found the Eloquent Archive software on the internet and have a few questions. Can you help me?
Certainly, I can give you a good overview of the system. What would you like to know?
I see it is mobile friendly. Does that mean I can search the database with my smartphone?
Yes, from anywhere, anytime. The screens adjust so they're easy to read on any mobile device or with any desktop browser.
I see you have all the modules here. Do we have to pay for everything?
No, you pay for only what you need in order to get started. You may also get a discount if you have a small number of archives. We will always install a new license key anytime down the road to give you more modules or capacity when you need it.
Most of my material is not digitized. It is in boxes in storage. One of your features is retrieve form storage and track. How does that work?
Well, everything goes into the same Eloquent Archives database. When someone searches, they may get some of each, some digital and some physical. They request a hard copy from you with a single click of the mouse. The relevant information about the item is automatically moved into a web form along with the email address for your reference desk, and then the researcher adds their own name and email address and any comment they wish and sends it off to you.
And we have PDFs and videos in a separate system. People complain that they take too long to download.
Oh, we can help you convert them to PDFs, or convert the PDFs to flipbooks and the videos to MP4s before loading them into Eloquent. Then they start streaming as soon as someone clicks on the embedded link. They don't wait for a download.
What about very large maps and drawings? Will the display be large enough to read on an iPad?
Yes, Eloquent uses server-side software that lets you pan around the diagram and zoom in and out. You can read the finest detail.
Now, can you show me how my users would search an Eloquent archive?
Sure, just click on Clients in the menu bar. It takes you to a few customer sites that are available to the public.
Is this a map of all your customers?
Yes, a lot of them. The map shows their names as well as location if you go to full screen.
But how do I search?
Well, you could click on any of the customer databases in this list. They may each look different, but the searching is similar. Some of the databases are libraries, so go down and click on Louisiana State University for an archive system.
This looks like their website.
Well, it does. In fact, it is their website's header and footer. We custom tailor every Eloquent public search to integrate with the customer's website. But you're now in their Eloquent Archives catalog and ready to start searching. They kept it simple and have only 4 access points. Is there anything specific you want to find?
First, I'd like a general idea about what they have.
Well, archives are usually organized into collections that then go down any number of levels through series, subseries, file, subfile, and so on, finally down to the item itself. Click the link on the bottom of the screen to browse the collection.
So LSU has 747 different collections.
That's right. But go back to the search page. I want to show you their material types. So click on the material type drop-down.
This is an interesting variety of material.
It is.
But I have my eye on these featured categories. Who created them?
Well, the archivist searches the database and saves selected items to a list. And then the list is connected to an attractive image like you see here. So go ahead and click on any one of them.
And there is a list of 20 titles featured in the photographic collection. I get the names as I hover over these.
Yeah, click on one of them.
Could I request a large print of this photo?
Yes, but this is only one. Click forward to see the other 14.
Oh, yes. Let's go back. Can I see more about B.J. Massey? Oh, I see there are 8 records in the browser of Caddo Parish. Could I see them?
Of course. Or click on Parish, Caddo Parish, the name, and you'll learn a lot about the parish itself.
I also would like to know how I could use these social media icons.
Well, if you click on one of them, you can send the link of this page to your friends. And when they click on the link, they'll be in this page. And from here, they can search for everything in the database. Also, click on the language drop down below those icons. And pick any language, try Chinese. And redisplay the page.
That was easy. I remember another link about a timeline back on the Eloquent website. It was in here. And I see that it is organized by decades.
Yes, they publish it with a couple of clicks of the mouse whenever they have any new content to show. The information all comes from the Eloquent Archives database. So the timeline is able to link back into the database. It is published, the timeline is published to the internet where Google and other search engines can find it. The university's public relations department is really excited about this historical timeline.
Oh yes, and this is great. Now, how can I get started?
Well, go back to the Eloquent website and make a call to the 800 number or click on Contact Us.
Great.
Just complete this form and our technical people will contact you right away.
Many thanks for the overview. Now I understand why Eloquent Archives is so popular.
Thank you. Thanks for contacting us and have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.